Alright, so it's Friday, January 5th, about 2 p.m. Got court January 8th, this coming Monday. So, I'm gonna go pay part of this extortion fee. Take y'all with me. Y'all doing? What, y'all give him the day off?
No. Just put it in the basket and check it.
Oh, okay. Kind of routine to hand it to him when I come in now. That's it. I literally just disconnected them and put right back
Okay. Last name, sir?
Scott.
I'm just gonna hold on to your knife until you come back down.
I'm just gonna go pay on my fine real quick. It's third floor, right?
Yes, sir, it is. I got it, I think.
There you go.
I'm the force.
Walking out the same door you come in. That's a good day right there. All right, well. Damn it, of course. All right, no problems there. So let's see if the clerk gives me any shit. There you go. There's my potty word for the day. For the video, anyway. Got like a little piece of paper and a pencil I can put my info on real quick. The only court paper I don't have.
Here. Present. Here, present. You can just slide it to me if you want. You don't need anything? Thank you much.
You're welcome.
Come on, put it that back.
No way. Would that be enough to make sure this goes to the right place? I'm paying $150 on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just need to make sure, I'll confirm with you that it's the right case.
I don't remember none of the number. I got the one from the last court date I had last week, or earlier this week, but that was dismissed, so.
Charged with criminal trespass?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Looks like it's on for Monday.
Yes. And can I get the time? That's the only thing I don't remember too. I think it's
Are you
9:30.
paying a partial payment?
Yeah,
It'll print
150.
on the bottom of the receipt.
Oh.
Are you making a payment today? His file out of Monday's copy.
So this receipt will make it to court Monday. 'Cause I went Wednesday and it seemed like she was saying something about 417. He's paying on a 417. So
Yeah, it'll make it.
I don't know exactly what that means, but since it's not paid in full, I'll be there anyway.
Yep.
60.
I think he said he's paying 150.
150, yes. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50. Do you have the time?
2:10.
211.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You can double click on each fee code that's going to carry over as long as he's paying one of the fee codes into whatever one you're AQ first. Can I see this real quick? Okay, that is just a violation. So he's paying 150. So we don't have an E is $25. There's not $25 left between 134 and 50 and 150. So we got to put E in the fee code drop down box. And we're just going to do the difference of 134 and 150 for E, which is $16.
Yeah, I made those last year. They're all good. Just didn't make enough of them.
I said that to, I have a teenager, and I said that to my teenager the other day, same thing. Oh, I just printed that. She said, you can print money?
No, wait now. You're talking
No,
to a
ma'am, I
teenager.
cannot.
You're talking to a teenager now. Don't give them any more ideas. They'll figure it out.
Oh, she's so smart. She's
Too
clueless
smart.
sometimes.
And you said this, I have a reminder of the time. I remember Monday at
Yep.
1A. I just don't remember the
The
time.
courtroom and your balance.
It's usually
So right
9:30.
here is your balance, and then right here is your court date and time. And the courtroom.
Okay, 259. Okay, that's even. I'm sorry. I just want to make sure I can see it. Okay, 9:30. Yep. All right, thank y'all. Well, you're definitely not baby mamas. I don't thank them for taking my money. Y'all have a safe weekend and hope you get to enjoy it. Tuck in before tomorrow morning, from what I hear.
Yeah, that's what I hear too.
But hey, it's almost mid-January. I'm not going to complain.
Me neither.
Let it do whatever it wants now.
I like it though.
Y'all stay safe. Well, that was uneventful. I guess it goes like that when you're bringing them money. But you know what? If you're in that county, you can't bring them no money. I'll get this back anyway. First decent lawsuit, I'll get it all back. I'm sure to be here. We'll start doing audits and showing up on the scenes. But I went to court Wednesday. Happy New Year from jail. New Year's Eve ain't New Year's Day, so yay. And court Monday. Oh, that is so much better than getting out of that van and the garage and waiting on a ride. Y'all have never had that ride. How you doing, brother?
All right, how you doing?
Living that dream. Y'all take it easy. Enjoy your weekend. I'm for sure going to now. All right, so I don't know where you are going to court at, but they get a lot of credit from me. Take my sidearms, no problem. Give it back inside the building, no problems. They don't question me about the camera no more. That only happened once. It was really no big deal. All right, y'all, so we're getting ready to get hammered tonight, tomorrow. All right, much love, fellow monkeys. See you Monday.